Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I will be making Air's bag. This project is recommended for intermediate level leather crafter. Let's get started. Cut off the pieces of the leather according to the pattern. Skive the leather, check the pattern for the position and thickness of the leather recommended. First, we start with making the handle. Mark the position of the rectangle ring. Use the rectangle ring with the diameter of 2 centimeters. After gluing the rectangle ring in place, you'll want to stitch the handle to finish. Now it's time to attach the handle to the flap. Use the pattern to mark the position where you will be attaching the handle. First, you need to glue in the ring holder. Once that's done, you can glue the ring holder part to the flap. And here it is. This is what the handle should look like on the flap. Now we will move on to preparing the main body. Use the pattern to mark the D-ring holder position. Glue and stitch the D-ring to the main body. The D-ring size is 2 centimeters in diameters. Use number 5 zippers. I usually buy them in yards and cut to size. Use the cutting plier to cut out about 1 inch of zipper teeth on both ends. Zipper tooth remover also comes in handy to remove the teeth. Slide in the zipper head and install the zip stoppers on both ends. Use the pattern to mark the position to glue the main body, the flap gusset, and the bag together. Go ahead and stitch the vertical line along the back piece. Glue the zipper to the main body. Make sure that the zip stopper sits at both ends of the body, leaving about 1 inch of the zippers where you cut the teeth out. Glue the main body in loop and stitch the vertical line along the back. Glue the leather trim to the main body and flap gazette lining. Make sure you leave about 2 mm above the fabrics. Attach all the pieces of the lining together and stitch as if you're making a bag. Make sure you're not stitching the leather trim to the fabric. We will leave that part out for later. Now for the piping cord, I use 2 mm diameters for the size. Use the pattern for a cutting guide on the length of the cord. Glue the cord right in the middle of the leather and fold it in half. Leave about 1.5 inch on both ends open. You'll want to slit the leather on the curves like what you see here in the video. See the leather for the slit position. Now we're ready to glue the piping to the back and the flap. You want to leave some room at the ends so we can trim the leather and fold it to the right position. Flip the main body inside out, then glue the flap and the back together and stitch. After stitching, you want to trim the excess leather and then flip it the right side out. Glue the stiffener to the flap and the bottom. Stiffener can be hard paper or thin piece of plastic. Glue and stitch the lining to the main body and we're almost done. This is where you'll be stitching the main body to the zipper and the lining at the same time. Attach the zipper pull using the plier to close. Now that the bag is finished, you'll want to work on the strap. The short part of the strap will be where the buckle will be held. We will use the rivets to lock in the buckle and the hook. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and staying till the end. Until next video, bye!